When you work with supply chain apps, questions naturally come up about features, possibilities, and what else you can achieve. That's why we've built a central place for supply chain apps documentation. You'll find clear explanations, interactive demos, and real use cases for every app so you know what it does, how to use it, and when. Plus, a growing tips and tricks section to support you along the way. And if you still have questions, you're not alone. Now you can chat with our first AI agent built right into the platform. Need help picking the right app, or you're not sure how a feature works? Just ask. It gives you instant answers, tips, and examples so you can keep moving. And once you've explored the apps, it's time to take things to the next level. The Training Center lets you test your knowledge and skills with short, focused, and practical assessments, earn certificates as you go, and share your progress with your team or on LinkedIn. Whether you're just starting or going deeper, everything is built to help you grow. All you need is a free account and curiosity. Log in, learn, and get certified.